So I gotta bend these aluminum spokes back so that they line up with the angle of this, because if you see, that's angled down because it's circular. So I'm just beating them to the similar angle of the edge of the rim. Before my son started filming me, what I had done was I had used the die cutter hooked up to the air compressor to grind off the nuts that were holding the legs on, and also the bolts that held this to the top. You could use whatever works, whatever you have, but I found the ability to get inside using the die grinder was easiest. I also used these tabs here that hold ash catcher to the bottom. I cut them out of there instead of cutting the bolts so that it would be stronger to hold up. I'm going to find a new piece like this, someone throwing out an old grill or something, cut the top off of a Weber, something like that would make a piece of metal like that. See, it's pretty much rusted out. So, and this, like I said, I got lucky. That's from what's called a disc piece of farm machinery, and it's real heavy duty, but you could find whatever would fit in the bottom. Again, cutting the top off of an old grill or whatever you can find. I guess whatever you find in the alley dictates what you're going to build this out of.